The lungs are organs that are involved in gas exchange. The lungs are a part of the respiratory system. This simple diagram shows roughly what the lungs look like. These form a major part of the respiratory system, which you can see in this diagram. For the exam, you must know the structure of the lungs and also know how they're adapted for gas exchange. So let's first have a look at the structure. The lungs are made up of the trachea, bronchi, and millions of tiny balloon-shaped structures called alveoli. This is what the lungs look like from the outside, and this is what they look like inside. This rigid tube that feeds into each of the lungs is the trachea. Inside of the lungs are these branching structures called the bronchi. At the end of the branches, there are millions of tiny alveoli. These provide a very large surface area compared to the volume of the lungs because they are the site of gas exchange. A popular comparison is that the lungs have an estimated surface area of about half the size of a tennis court. For the exam, it's important that you memorize the structure of the lungs so you can identify it from pictures. So then, how are the alveoli adapted for gas exchange? The alveoli are well adapted for gas exchange by diffusion. Remember, for your exam, you should be able to explain how the lungs and alveoli are adapted for exchanging materials by diffusion. So first thing to note is that the alveoli are well ventilated. They also have a large surface area to volume ratio for diffusion, and the walls of them are folded to increase this further. Finally, the alveoli have a large capillary network. This is important for exchange, and the rich blood supply maintains concentration gradients as the blood is continually replaced. So what about the membrane itself? This diagram shows a very close-up image of an alveoli and a neighbouring blood capillary. Both the alveoli and the capillaries have thin membranes. These are 1 cell thick, meaning that the rate of diffusion will be fast. Remember, this is really important because it means that the movement of substances across these membranes will be fast, allowing them to be used in respiration sooner. It also means that waste products from respiration can be removed more quickly.
Thanks for watching. If you want to take your GCSE revision to the next level, head over to launchpadlearning.com and check out our smart learning platform that's been designed to get you top results in your exams. We cover your whole specification and make revision fun with interactive quizzes, easy-to-follow videos, and more. You'll be kept motivated by your own AI tutor who's here to support you every step of the way. To check it out for yourself, click here. Or click here to keep watching a selection of the videos from our full GCSE Biology course. See you there!